Welcome to the How to Use Account and Notifications in Canvas tutorial. First, in order to access this, you will need to click on and access your Canvas. Once you access your Canvas and you come to your dashboard, to the left, you will see in the green section, you will see right at the top where it says Account. Once you click on Account, it will expand out to indicate these particular items that are located within your account. As we click on each one, you can see what is inside. For instance, when you click on notifications, this will have any particular notifications that you're receiving from your professors or the school, and it will have due dates and grading policies and course content. In addition, within this notifications section, you can actually, for instance, click on your email and set it where you can notify yourself immediately or get daily or weekly summaries. You can actually even cut the notification sections off. Next, your profile itself. In your profile, you can actually have a photo or any representation of yourself that will show up on the page and in your emails. And in order to do this, you can click on that and you can upload a picture or take a picture and remember to save it. Or you can actually edit it. And when you edit it, you can put in your picture and you can put in information about your biography and any particular links that you might have. And just remember to save your profile so that it will stay in your account. Next, when you click on the Files section within your account, it will open out to any particular files that you might have put in the account yourself. For instance, this student has a number of different profile pictures that they inserted in their file section. Next, when we go to settings, the settings will be those things that you have access to here at Brightpoint Community College, and that will show in this particular section. Then you'll have shared content. This is anything that might have been shared with you. And if it has been shared, you can access it through your accounts and then this section. My badges. These are particular awards that you might have received from the school or an organization or for one of your courses. And that also will be listed right here in the account section. When you want to build your own portfolio, and this is a digital portfolio that can be both your academic and any professional accomplishments, you can include that right here in this section in your accounts section. Also, you have your QR for mobile login. When you scan the QR, you'll receive this notice. If you receive this notice, you can click proceed, and then that will log you in. If you do not click proceed, then it will tell you that the QR display was canceled. And you have global announcements. Global announcements tend to be announcements, and if they are here, as we say, current, these are things that have just been received by you. If there's nothing current for the day, this area will be blank, and you'll see if you click recent announcement, and recent announcements will be those things from Brightpoint or even from the Virginia Community College system about things that are of interest to you as a student here. So if you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us here at the Academic Resource Center. Thank you.